In this video, let's learn how to add lock screen password on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to lock screen option. In here you can see lock screen type, click on it. In this second option you can see password, click on it. In here you can type a password for your lock screen. Your password must contain at least 4 characters and 1 letter. Now I type a password. I type my channel name. You can see your password by click on this icon. Okay, after click to continue. Again you want to retype your password. And click OK. Now let's check our password. Now I lock my mobile screen. Now we want to type a password to unlock our mobile. After click on this done button, you can easily open your mobile like this. In this method you can add password to your mobile lock screen.